Issued by the Surgeon General in 13 years. 7 and 4's Brett Cast spoke with local organizations that work with drug users to see what they think about today's advisory.
Kristen, those I spoke with were thrilled to hear the Surgeon General bring the opioid crisis to the forefront, but they emphasize that this is just one step on a long road to recovery. As the Surgeon General issued an advisory in Washington, passionate community members met in Manistee discussing ways to solve the opioid crisis.
Not one of us has the ability to solve the opioid crisis on our own. It really takes a village.
A village and an entire country. With more Americans being asked to carry the overdose reversal drug naloxone, there are many local organizations giving it out for free.
This is the form of naloxone that we give out here at Harm Reduction Michigan for free. It's a generic injectable naloxone.
Maya Doe Simpkins is the co-director of Harm Reduction Michigan based in Traverse City and emphasizes the importance of the Surgeon General's message.
It's a pretty big deal for the Surgeon General to make a statement along these lines, so I think that it's clearly indicative of our public health concerns right now in the country.
So we have instructions.
Another place to turn when in need of a naloxone kit is Addiction Treatment Services, whose CEO Chris Heinbaugh believes the public advisory is an important first step in a much larger battle.
I think this is extremely important, but it's only one piece. We have to create a system that actually gets people into treatment and supports a long-term recovery.
In the past 2 months alone, Heinbaugh says they've passed out roughly 200 naloxone kits, with each kit representing a chance at a new beginning.
Besides having the potential to save somebody's life, having naloxone can open up a dialogue, talk about where that kit will be, talk about creating a safe space, and start that conversation. That's the first step into somebody finding their way into long-term recovery.
Many other organizations provide naloxone kits free of charge, but naloxone is also available at most pharmacies without a prescription. If you pay cash, Narcan nasal spray can cost roughly $130, while the generic injectable naloxone costs roughly $40. Reporting in the studio, Brett Cast, 7 and 4.